I want to say that we are satisfied with what we have seen. We are satisfied with the level of storage in facilities we have visited at the Kipevu storage plant, at the Kenya refineries plant, and we want to assure Kenyans that the supply of fuel will be sustained, and as we have always done, we will continue to cushion Kenyans against the high prices of fuel in Kenya. I want to also take this opportunity to tell Kenyans that we have enough supply of fuel lasting over 1 month, and we still have several vessels arriving to offload the fuel cargo to sufficiently satisfy the demand for Kenyans. Therefore, we are far ahead of many countries in this region as far as regulation and supply of fuel is concerned.